Permanent sneezing? I don't really sneeze all that much, but I know some people who when they sneeze will immediately sneeze 6 times after. I thought that was annoying for them, but imagine never being able to stop. Comment down below if you're a violent sneezer. There was this girl from the UK named Donna Griffith. She started sneezing January 13th, 1981 and continued to sneeze for 978 days. Initially sneezing twice per minute, which eventually slowed to once every 5 minutes. Her first day without sneezing was September 16th, 1983. Subscribe to know more about